Okay, so welcome back. As you can tell, this is near and dear to me, right? Nobody wants to, at least not myself or my staff or our culture. We make mistakes. We're not perfect, but our intention is to shoot for perfection and not make mistakes. And if we make a mistake, that's fine. Accept it, apologize. Let's repair it. Let's make it right. But we choose to try to shoot for perfection, and we need that support from that third-party payee. That's really all they are. Is they're just supposed to come in and pay the invoice, pay the full invoice for everything we need to make your car safe and whole again, right? And vehicles are not inexpensive. Like they're very, very expensive. They've always been very, very expensive. Going back to 1980, okay, when I was in high school, it was hard to buy a car back then. And back then, a truck was $4,500 for the truck that I wanted to buy. It was a used truck, right? It was still a lot of money. And that used truck, had I bought it new, I think they were $12,000, right? Doesn't sound like a lot now. You can buy 5 trucks for, back then, because trucks are like $60,000 now. Like, cars are very, very expensive, and they've always have been. And your insurance has always been kind of pricey too, right? Even back then, regardless of what the price, right? What the price was, it still wasn't like super cheap, like an ice cream popsicle or something, it was a couple of $100s or whatever. I'd like to go into that a little bit more on our next episode, so please stay tuned. Have a great day.